In this video, I will be showing you how to fix login problem on ChatGPT app. Let's get started. I begin by opening my browser and typing chatgpt.com into the search bar. This takes me directly to the ChatGPT interface where I need to access my settings. I navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the More option, then click on Log Out. A confirmation pop-up asks if I am sure I want to log out, and I click Log Out again to confirm. The screen briefly shows a logging out of all accounts message before loading the clean, logged out version of the page. Next, I click on the Log In button in the upper right corner. A Welcome Back panel appears, listing my saved Google account. I click on my account to begin logging in. The system processes the request, and within a few moments, I am logged back into my ChatGPT dashboard, with my username appearing at the bottom of the sidebar. To clear up any browser-related issues that might be causing login failures, I decide to manage my extensions. I click the three dots in the top right corner of my browser, hover over Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. This opens the extensions page. I look for any active extensions that could interfere, such as a VPN, and toggle its switch to turn it off. I then switch back to the ChatGPT tab. I also want to check my network status to ensure a stable connection. I click on the network icon in my Windows taskbar to open the Quick Settings panel, then click on the Wi-Fi section. I see that my home network is connected and secured, which confirms that my internet connection is working properly. I close the network menu and return to the browser. Now I need to clear the specific site data for ChatGPT. I click the three dots in the top right corner again, scroll down, and select Settings. From the Settings menu on the left, I click Privacy and Security. Then, I select Third-Party Cookies, and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. I find ChatGPT.com in the list, click the trashcan icon next to it, and confirm by clicking Delete. This completely clears all data and permissions for the site. I navigate back to the ChatGPT tab, which now displays a banner indicating that I need to reload the page to apply the updated settings. Instead of just reloading, I decide to check the site settings directly from the address bar. I click the settings icon next to the URL, select Site Settings, and see the usage data listed. I click Delete Data, and confirm by clicking Delete. This ensures that absolutely no corrupted cached data remains. To see if the problem persists across different browser environments, I open a completely new window. I click the three dots in the top right corner and select New Incognito window. In the incognito search bar, I type chatgpt.com and press Enter. The page loads fresh with the option to log in. I click the Log In button, select Continue with Google, and type my email address into the field. I click Next, then enter my password and click Next once more. The page redirects through the Google authentication process and smoothly logs me back into the ChatGPT interface without any issues, proving that clearing the site data and extensions has fixed the problem. Finally, I minimize the browser window and want to ensure that my browser software is completely up to date. I click on the Windows search bar at the bottom of the screen and type Microsoft Store to open it. I look up my browser or check for system updates to make sure everything is running on the latest version. After confirming the browser is fully functional, I can go right back to using ChatGPT without any further interruptions. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.